Hi students, today we will discuss how to factorize an algebraic expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c by splitting the middle term. I have already explained how to factorize an algebraic expression of the form x square plus px plus q. Let's consider one example. This I have already explained in my previous video. The same method only we are applying in ax square plus bx plus c form also. That's why I am explaining it once again. Consider this example, x square plus 5x plus 6. Here the sum is 5, that is the coefficient of x, and the product is 6, that is the constant term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. Such type of questions I have already explained in my previous video. Here also we are splitting the middle term only. Sum is 5 and product is 6. Here we are factorizing the product. That means here we need to find the factors of 6. We know that 1 and 6 are one pair, and 2 and 3 are another pair, and we know that the product is 6, it is positive. So either the factors are positive or the factors both are negative in each pair. So we can take 1 6 and minus 1 minus 6. Similarly 2 3 and minus 2 minus 3. Here the sum is positive. Sum is positive 5. So we have to check each and every pair such that the sum should be positive. Here first example, first pair is 1 6, and after adding 1 and 6 it will not be 5. So we cannot take that pair. Second pair is minus 1 minus 6. There also sum will not be 5. So that pair also we cannot take. Then the third pair is 2 3. After adding 2 and 3 we will get 5. So that is the correct option. And the last pair also we will check negative 2 and negative 3. After adding negative 2 and negative 3 we will not get 5. So that option also wrong. Anyway, one option only will be correct. Here we are going to split the middle term. Middle term is 5x. So same x square, first term same x square we have to write, and we are splitting 5x as 2x and 3x because 2 and 3 are the correct option. So 2x plus, instead of 5x we can write 2x plus 3x, and the last term same 6 we have to write. And from the first two terms and the last two terms we have to group it. From the first two term x is common, so x is we can write it outside, x into x plus 2 plus 3 into 3 is common from third and the last term, that means the second group, 3 into x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is common for both the terms, that x plus 2 we can take outside, remaining x plus 3. So we have factorized x square plus 5x plus 6 as x plus 2 into x plus 3. The same method only we are applying for ax square plus bx plus c also. Here the only difference is while taking the product we have to take product as AC, that is the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. Let's take one example, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here the coefficient of x square is 2 and the middle term is 3x. That middle term only we are splitting, and the constant term is 1. Here the sum is the coefficient of x, that is 3, and the product is 1 into 2. 1 is the constant term and the coefficient of x square is 2. That both we have to multiply. 1 into 2 equal to 2. Here also we are factorizing 2. We know that the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, only one pair, and here the product is positive. So either both are positive or both are negative. Only two options. And here the sum is positive 3. So after we have to check each and every pair such that the sum should be positive 3. Here first pair is 1, 2 and after adding 1 and 2 we will get 3. So that is the correct option. And the next option also we will check. No need to check that. The first time we are studying. That's why I am explaining each and every pair we are checking. Negative 1, negative 2 is the second pair. After adding negative 1 and negative 2 we will not get 3, positive 3. So that option is wrong. Now we come back to the question. That is first term 2x square itself. Then we are splitting the middle term 3x. Instead of 3x we have to write plus 1x plus 2x. Because 1x and 2, 1 and 2 are the correct option. Last term same one we have to write. And we have to group it same like the previous one. First 2 in one group, last 2 in another group. First, from the first group, x is common. So remaining 2x plus 1. Then from the second group, that means the second group itself 2x plus 1, or we have to take plus 1 outside, because while multiplying with 1 the number will not be changed. So plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Here 2x plus 1 is common for both the terms. So 2x plus 1 we have to take outside into remaining x plus 1. So the factors are 2x plus 1 and x plus 1. Hope you got the concept. Here same method like x square plus px plus q only we are factorizing. Only difference is we have to take the product as AC, that is multiply the constant term and the coefficient of x square. We will do some more examples. Next example is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Here the middle term is minus 4x and here the sum is minus 4 and the product is 4 into 1, or it will be 4. And we have to factorize 4. We know that the factors of 4 are 1 and 4. Another pair is 2 and 2. And here the product is positive. So for each pair 2 more options will come. That means 1, 4 and minus 1, minus 4. Because 1 into 4 is 4 and minus 1 into minus 4 is also 4. That also we have learned from integers. I have already explained that video. Then for 2, 2 also 2 more options, 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 2. Here we have to check each and every option such that sum is negative 4. Sum is negative and negative 4 it is. So take the first pair 1, 4. After adding 1 and 4 we will not get negative 4. So that option is wrong. Second pair negative 1 and negative 4. After adding negative 1 and negative 4 we will not get negative 4. So that option is also wrong. Then the third pair is 2, 2. After adding 2 and 2 we will get positive 4. Our answer is negative 4. So that option also wrong. And the last pair is negative 2, negative 2. After adding we will get negative 4. That is the correct option. So we have to split the middle term. Come back to the equation. First term is 4x square. Negative 4x is the middle term. That we need to split it. Negative, instead of negative 4 we have to write negative 2 and negative 2. Then last term same way plus 1 we have to write. We have to group it. First 2 in one group and the last 2 in the another group. From the first group we know that 2x is common. And the remaining terms are from 4x square we took 2x, remaining 2x. Then minus 1. Then from the last group we have to get 2x minus 1 in the bracket. So negative 1 we have to take outside, remaining 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is common for both the terms. So that 2x minus 1 we have to take outside, remaining 2x from the first term minus 1 from the second term. So we have factorized our equation. The factors are 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. Next example is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Look at the equation. It is not in the standard form because first term is x square term, second term is the constant term. Second term should be the x term and the last term should be the constant term. So we have to rearrange it. It will be 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Here the middle term is minus 7x. So sum is minus 7 and product is A into C. A is 6 and C is minus 3. With the sign we have to take. So 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. We have to factorize 18. We know that the factors are 1 and 18 first pair, second pair 2 and 9, third pair 3 and 6. Here the product is negative. So we can take the first one as negative or the second one as negative. So first pair is 1 and negative 18. Second pair negative 1, 18. Third pair 2 minus 9. Fourth pair minus 2, 9. Fifth pair 3 minus 6. And the last pair is minus 3, 6. Here we have to select one pair such that sum is negative 7. Here take the first pair 1 and negative 18. After adding, sum means after adding 1 plus minus 18 we will not get minus 7. So that option is wrong. Second pair minus 1 and 18. After adding there also we will not get minus 7. Third pair 2 and minus 9. After adding we will get minus 7. That is the correct option. So actually no need to check the remaining pairs. But anyway, first time we are studying this topic. That's why I am explaining. Minus 2 and 9 after adding we will get 7 only. Our answer is minus 7. So that option also wrong. Next 3 and minus 6. There also after adding we will not get minus 7. Negative 3, 6. In that pair also we will not get minus 7. So our correct option is 2 and minus 9. We need to split the middle term. So first term same 6x square we have to write. Instead of minus 7x we have to write plus 2x minus 9x. And the last term is minus 3. Here we must group it. First 2 in one group and the last 2 in another group. From the first group 2x is common. So remaining 3x plus 1. And from the second group minus 3 is common. So the remaining part is 3x plus 1. Here 3x plus 1 is common for both the terms. That 3x plus 1 we have to take outside. Remaining 2x minus 3. So the factors are 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. You have to practice more questions, then only you can easily do. Without checking all the options you can easily find out after practicing. Okay. So one more example we will do. 2x square plus 7x minus 4. Here the middle term is plus 7x. That plus 7x we are splitting. Here sum is 7 and product is 2 into minus 4. That is minus 8. Here we have to factorize 8. We know that the factors are first pair 1, 8 and the second pair 2, 4. Here the product is negative. So either the first one should be negative from each pair or the second one should be negative in each pair. So first pair 1 minus 8, second pair minus 1, 8, third pair 2 minus 4 and the fourth pair minus 2, 4. Here from these 4 pairs we have to select one pair such that the sum is 7 and sum is positive. So take the first pair 1 and minus 8. After adding we will not get positive 7. So that option is wrong. Second option negative 1, 8. After adding we will get 7. So that option is correct. Then third option 2, negative 4. After adding we will not get 7. That option is wrong. The last option negative 2, 4. There also after adding we will not get 7. So that option also wrong. Our correct option is negative 1, 8. We have to split the middle term. So first term same 2x square we have to write. Then instead of 7x we have to write minus 1x plus 8x. Then the last term is minus 4. Group first 2 in one group, last 2 in another group. From the first group x is common, remaining 2x minus 1. And from the second group 4 is common, remaining 2x minus 1. See, 2x minus 1 is common in both the terms. That 2x minus 1 we have to take outside. Remaining x plus 4 that we have to write in another bracket. So the factors are 2x minus 1 and x plus 4.